Today I'll show you how you can remove the howdy part in WordPress, and we'll cover a couple of different methods so you can pick the one that works best for you. By default, when somebody logs into WordPress, you get this greeting up at the top right, and it says howdy / whoever the name of the profile of the person who's logged in. A lot of people don't use that term howdy though, and so I'll show you a couple of different ways that you can change this or remove it completely. So if you're ready, let's dive in. With the first method, we'll use a plugin, and this allows you to completely remove the howdy part. So let's head over to our plugins, add new, and we're looking for a plugin called Admin Trim Interface. This is the one we want, so let's go ahead and install this now and stick around to activate the plugin as well. Great, once it's activated, you can either come to settings, or if you ever need to come back to this, you can go from your dashboard to appearance and go to admin trim interface. And you see right here, there are several different areas where you can change things. The one that we're looking for this is the hide howdy. Click on that and go ahead and save changes. You see, as soon as we save changes, the howdy part has been removed and is just left with the username. With method 2, we'll be using a different plugin called Admin Customizer, and this will allow you to make changes to that area. I've already uninstalled the previous one, so we'll go to plugins, add new, so we can search for Admin Customizer. And there are a few different ones to choose from. The one from Indolosoft is the one we want, so let's go ahead and install now. And again, stick around to activate the plugin. Great, now we can go to settings, AS Admin Customizer to make our changes. From here, we want to go to the dashboard section, and right here is where you can update the howdy text. We'll just add something like welcome, click save changes, and now you see up at the top, it now says welcome instead of howdy. Now, the third method allows you a little bit more functionality, but it requires you to add a bit of code. If you're comfortable using code on your website, then you can do this method. Now, to be able to easily add code, I'm going to use a plugin called the Code Snippets. Let's go to plugins, add new. And from here, we're going to search for Code Snippets. Code Snippets is a great plugin that allows you to add bits of code without digging into your functions or theme. This is the one we want, so let's go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Great, once it's activated, you see an area over here where it says Snippets on the left. We want to click Add New because we're going to add a new snippet. You can title this whatever you want. We'll call it Howdy Admin. And we want to paste this bit of code. And if you check out the link in the description below, you can get this code from the written tutorial. But basically it goes through and adds this. And you see it replaces the howdy with welcome here. Now that we have it, we can click Save Changes and Activate. And you see as soon as I save changes, it shows Welcome WP Beginner. And if you're needing to add other bits of code, make sure you watch this video next as I walk you through step by step on how to install and activate the Insert Headers and Footers plugin for your website. And I'll see you over there.